Listen up, kings. Relationships can be tricky. So do not waste your time on the wrong woman. It will cost you more than just heartbreak. A low-quality woman will drain your energy, waste your time, and leave you doubting yourself. The worst part is that she will leave when you have given her everything. That's why in this video, we are breaking down 7 clear warning signs that a girl is going to dump you. Spot these behaviors early and walk away with your dignity intact. High-value men do not stick around for drama or disrespect. You deserve better. So when you see these signs, cut her off immediately. 1. She is never contented. If she is, always unhappy, complaining, or nitpicking everything you do, take it as a clear warning. This woman will never be satisfied, no matter what you give her. You could take her on trips, buy her gifts, or make sacrifices, but it will never be enough. She will constantly ask for more attention, more effort, and more money. Her dissatisfaction has nothing to do with you. It's a pattern in her personality. Trying to please a woman like this is like pouring water into a bucket with holes. If she cannot appreciate your little efforts, move on. There are women out there who will value your hard work. A woman who is never contented will not only waste your resources, but will also drain your energy and confidence. You deserve a partner, not a parasite. 2. She is always hanging out. If she is constantly out with friends, hitting clubs, or attending every party in town, this girl is not serious about you. A woman who is always in the streets is looking for external excitement and thrill. She is addicted to attention and the fast life. When she is out partying, you are not on her mind. And if she is always out, you will never be her priority. Even worse, the more she goes out, the more likely she is to encounter other men who will compete for her attention. A woman like this is not ready for a relationship. She is living for the moment, and that is not what you want. High-value men do not chase women who love nightlife more than stability. Walk away from women who cannot commit to peace, structure, or building a life with you. Spend your time focusing on your goals, and the right kind of woman will come into your life. 3. She picks fights unnecessarily. If a woman is always stirring up conflict over the smallest things, this is her way of testing your patience and asserting control. Women who create unnecessary drama are emotionally unstable and thrive on conflict. They find pleasure in seeing you frustrated because your emotional reactions give them power. Do not play into her hands. When you allow her to pull you into constant arguments, she is dictating the tone of the relationship. A high-value man values peace above everything else. Your focus should be on your career, health, and personal growth, not petty fights. If she keeps bringing negativity into your life, it is time to leave her behind. Relationships should make life better, not harder. Walk away from toxic women before they break you down. Protect your peace at all cost. 4. She enjoys male attention. If she is always flirting, chatting with other men, or keeping her DMs full, it is a sign of trouble. A woman who enjoys male attention is constantly seeking validation. She is not content with the affection or commitment you provide. She needs to know that other men want her too. This behavior is disrespectful and signals that she is emotionally unavailable. No alpha male should tolerate a woman who needs constant validation from other men. If she is not focused on building with you, she is wasting your time. You are better off investing your energy into becoming the best version of yourself, rather than fighting for someone who needs the world's attention. A high-value man attracts respect naturally and will not compete for a woman's loyalty. If she is entertaining other men, let her go. 5. She is a social media freak. If a woman's entire life revolves around social media, posting selfies every hour, checking likes, and obsessing over comments, you are dealing with someone addicted to digital validation. This type of woman lives for the approval of strangers online. Her priorities are messed up, and you will never come first. She cares more about followers and virtual attention than the real connection she could have with you. A high-value man does not compete with Instagram or TikTok for his partner's focus. You need a woman who values meaningful conversations and shared experiences, not one glued to her phone 24/7. If she is always scrolling through feeds instead of building a life with you, it is a sign to walk away. You want a partner who is present and aligned with your goals, not a woman chasing clout on social media. 6. She compares you with other guys. When a woman starts comparing you to other men, it's a dangerous sign. Statements like, "Why can't you be more like him?" are disrespectful and manipulative. She is trying to make you feel inadequate, which will destroy your confidence over time. A high-value man never tolerates disrespect. You are not in competition with anyone. If she cannot appreciate who you are and constantly holds other men over your head, it is time to cut her off. A woman who compares you with others is not loyal. She is looking for an excuse to leave or push you to change into someone you are not. A real partner will celebrate your uniqueness and build with you, not tear you down. Stay true to yourself, King. If she cannot see your value, let her go and focus on becoming even better. 7. She posts naked pictures on the internet. If a woman is posting explicit pictures for the world to see, she is not respecting herself or you. A woman who shares her body online is seeking attention from everyone. She is advertising herself. This behavior signals insecurity and vanity. No high-value man should tolerate this kind of disrespect. A woman who exposes herself to strangers is not someone you should build a meaningful relationship with. She is focused on external validation, not personal growth. Alpha males avoid women who are desperate for online attention. You deserve someone who values privacy and understands the importance of exclusivity. If she is willing to put everything out there for likes, she is not the right woman for you. Walk away and focus on building your life with someone who respects both herself and you. In conclusion, if you are seeing any of these signs, do not waste time trying to change her. Women like this are bad news, and they will only slow you down. Your energy should be spent on improving yourself, your finances, your fitness, and your future. Women come and go, but your growth and success are what truly matter. A high-value man never begs for love, respect, or attention. Keep your head up, stay focused, and let the right woman find her way to you. You are the prize. Remember that. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, and never settle for less than you deserve. Thanks for staying till the end. Tell your friends about what we preach on this channel. See you in our next video.